Hi, mommy. We saw the volcano there, and it looks like from my science class in my school. But what about the other people when they prayed? They will pray when there are no affection. What about the normal people?